Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 14 July 2018, 03 of hour, 54 of minute and 19 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, who owns the Time Bandit crab boat? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about who owns the Time Bandit crab boat. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about who owns the Time Bandit crab boat. The FV Time Bandit is a commercial crab fishing vessel co-captained by brothers Jonathan and Andy Hillstrand. It is featured on the Discovery Channel series Deadliest Catch. The Time Bandit is a 113-foot house-aft boat owned by the Hillstrand brothers that was designed by the Hillstrand's father. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.